Welcome back everybody, I'm Alberto. Once again with this beautiful all-in-one portable kitchen. Today I went to the market and I found this beautiful piece of salmon and I want to show you how to cook it because it's not so easy. So now I select one part of our salmon. I get this one and then I love the thickness. Can you see? It's almost 3 centimeters, so it's very, very nice. And I make small chunks. Here are perfectly ready right now, so we just put the salt and it's been seasoned, and now we go into the oven to see what's happened. And we're gonna place these beautiful pieces starting from the very inside part. Go inside, and then we let it cook for at least 2 minutes, and then we check it, and then we see what happens, and we might flip it on the other side. Oh, beautiful. The salmon has already been cooking for 3 minutes, and now we flip it on the other side and we complete the cooking. As you can see, the most important thing is that it doesn't get stuck on the grill, and this is very rare. And then we put it back in for 3 more minutes. Well, our time is up. 3 minutes already passed, and go and have a look at it. Wow, perfect cooking. Look at the golden crispy color. Now we're gonna put into the plate and do a serving. Splendid. If you think how convenient it is to cook the salmon, 6 minutes and then you've got dinner ready for the whole family. And then it's not sticky. It looks perfect size. You know, look at this one. Excellent. And then now before serving we can have a garnish, the usual rosemary, and also you can actually cut some pieces of lemon to put it on the side to make it prettier. Lemon is always the best match for the salmon. And then of course before serving some more black pepper and then some more lemon in this way. And this, with the new portable all-in-one kitchen, you can have a perfect dish for the family.